I'm so excited that Christmas is coming, and I already went ahead and got my husband the best and the perfect gift ever. I got a portable espresso coffee machine, and I want to show you how it works, what comes inside the box, because I am so excited, and I know he will be so excited to open this up. So right now, I'm gonna try it out before I give it to him with ground coffee and see how that works. You can absolutely make a lot of coffee with this, and the best part that I really love is that it says that it has the perfect extraction and it will give you a coffee with dense cream. This coffee will be so tasty, and he's always on the go. He works outside, he has to drive a lot, so it's pretty easy for him to just put some water, coffee, and he'll have his coffee ready. So let's go ahead and try it. First, we have the instructions and the user guide. So everything is here in case we need some help. Here we have the coffee maker. It's very compact, so we can take this around everywhere. Has the tools for the coffee maker right here. It has pretty much everything that we need to make the best cups of coffee right here. I'm guessing this is for the coffee. It comes with the charging cable, a little brush to clean it.